The remote control has three control modes. The PPM and PPM and UART modes are controlled via PPM signals. UART mode is limited to VESC series. Next, we will introduce the basic operations of the remote control. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn off. To prevent accidental operation, the remote controller enters a lock state upon power on. Unlocks 2 seconds after pressing the brake trigger. Press the throttle trigger to accelerate. The throttle percentage is displayed on the screen. Press the brake trigger to brake. Short press the settings button to switch speed gears. There are a total of 3 settings: L, low speed, M, medium speed, and H, high speed. Double press the set button to reverse the motor direction. Long press the settings button for 2 seconds to enter the settings page. Use the throttle and brake triggers to toggle through the settings options. After switching to the desired option, briefly press the set button. The option will begin to flash. Switch parameters using the throttle and brake. Short press the power button to confirm. Press the power button briefly again to return to the main interface. Charge the remote controller using the accompanying wireless charger. Place the remote controller in the center of the charging platform with the button side of the handle facing downward. Once the wireless charger detects the remote controller, a pulsing blue indicator light will illuminate. Simultaneously, a charging animation will appear on the remote controller's screen. Next, we will cover the configuration for UART mode. Click App Settings. General. App to use. Set this to UART. Switch to App Settings. VESC Remote. Control Type. Set the motor control type. Then, upload the parameters. Pairing with the receiver is required upon the initial connection. Press and hold the set button to enter the settings menu. Press and hold the set button again to enter pairing mode. Once in pairing mode, power on the receiver. Upon successful pairing, Pairing Succeed will be displayed, and the device will return to the main interface. Signal strength is also displayed in the top left corner of the screen. Press and hold the brake trigger to unlock the throttle, enabling control of the motor. Short press the set button to switch between speed modes. Control offers remotes, planned UART. Bothmedisutlet sep mass primary control signal. Thepm art mod additional I employed signals for data transmission. Tap, situp input. Tap, next. Select the input type. Tap, next. Individual push thethroly and bricka trigger motor control to fire maximum positions, then release them. This process calibrates the maximum and minimum values for both thethroly and brake. Once calibration is complete, tap Apply to save the parameters. Tap Next to proceed to the next step. Configure of control parameters as required. The calibration and configuration of the control signal are now complete. You can modify the set parameters again at any time by navigating to App Settings, PPM. The method for pairing the receiver and mod remains the same as previously described. Pulling the electric control motor in forward direction. Pushing the brake trigger control motor into reverse direction. In control mode, speed JS can be switched by briefly pressing the set button. just as in oath modes. In control mode, the own touch rig reversal function is not available. For more detailed operating instructions and parameter descriptions, please refer to the user manual. The video ends here. Thanks for watching.